All right, welcome back to my channel, YouTube. It's your boy Zab, and I am back with another video. We're gonna talk about what were the trades like today. Today's Friday, and I'm gonna go over and talk to you guys about some of the trades that I did take. Unfortunately, the day ended up being red for me, but overall, I'm very happy with the red I had because my goal from the past trades was to stop out and keep my losses at the minimum. I did 3 trades. 2 trades were bad. 1 trade went really well, and it's a very small red. I'm down about 1% on the day. We're gonna talk about stop losses today. We're gonna talk about if I had hold on to my position size, things could have gone south really fast, and how I was able to really focus on my stop losses and get out. So we're gonna go on the computer here. I will show you guys what my trades were, and we will take it from there.
Alright guys, let's get started. I'm going to go over some of the trades that I went into, and I will be sharing with you guys what were some of the things that I was looking for, and basically my losses and my wins on Tesla today, on Friday. So the first trade that I had went in, there was a resistance line here. The first trade that I had went in, it was an early starter for me. I want to move this guy over here, and I went in here. I was hoping for a break and retest on the upside of Tesla. The reason why I selected this because NASDAQ was looking pretty promising, and I was hoping that, okay, on the upside, Tesla is going to keep going up. So there was a pullback here, but the pullback didn't last, and it just kept falling. It did have a little bit of a bounce, but it kept falling again. So my first loss was over here. How I trade is, as I mentioned in my previous videos, I would go in with one contract, and when the position is up 5%, I would add 5 more contracts to my position. Initial 5% gives me a green check mark that, okay, the position is working in your way. So it's something that I do. That was my first position right here. So ended up with a loss. I was down about 10%. Position 10% with one contract. That's not bad at all. Did that. Over here, it's very similar thing happened. I was still looking at, it broke above this resistance line again, so I was like, you know what, maybe second time to charm. So I went in one contract, and I believe my position size was something similar to this right here. Anyways, I got stopped out, similar trade to before, and at this point I was down about 4 to 5% account value, and this was a time where I had to sit back and really work, really wait for the place to work. And then this started happening. Tesla started going down really fast. And I saw there was a pullback here, and then it went down here. So when this pullback started to happen, this is the position that I went in. I'm going to show you guys this right now. I already have an arrow drawn here because this is, just wanted to make a mental note at the time I saw this. And my stop loss for this guy, if I'm not mistaken, oh, there's a box already drawn here. Okay, cool. Okay, so my stop loss for this guy was actually a little above this line. The reason why I put the stop loss here is because if these candles were to close above this bounce, then I would have figured that, okay, it's starting to move in the opposite direction. The downtrend has broken. So this is something that I was looking for in today's trade. I went in here and I saw my 5%. I went in here and I saw my 5% around here, and I added 5 more contracts to my position. And then I waited for those 5 contracts to give me back another 5-6%. So it went down all the way here, and I think this is where I started to sell. I write that whole candle down, and I got out with additional 10% profit here. So this was a pretty good trade. trades like these are very risky. If you are following a trend, you have to follow them. Make sure you have a very tight stop loss, because if you don't, um, chances are the trend can reverse at any point and you will lose a lot of money. Now, those were the 3 trades that I went in. My overall account value was down 1% today. That's a very normal amount of loss. Still green overall. In the week, it was a short week. Monday was short, Tuesday was off. Then we were left with Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Overall, the day went pretty good. Okay, so the red day today checked off my box that, okay, I managed my stop loss pretty well. And that is something that I want to work on in the upcoming year. Now, there's this green box here, just this trade that I saw that happened by the book. I actually tried going into this trade, but it didn't have enough funds. So that's why I drew this box here, because it was by the book break and retest strategy that we follow. So what happened was, there was a day's high right here. There was a pullback, another high. My previous positions, I drew 2 circles and I drew a trend line going straight down. Point of contact 1, 2, 3. 3 point of contact 4, 5. Okay, so 5 lines that we see this trend line has touched. The candles broke this trend line. It retraced it right over here. And this would be my position if I were to go in calls. If I have enough capital to go in calls, I would have gone in calls right over here. That would have been a really, really good trade, and probably the safer trade, and would have made a lot more money too. Draw a trend line, make sure it's touching 3 to 4 points at least, and when that trend line breaks, you want it to retest it, and then it should keep going up or down. This is a very nice strategy that I love to follow, and it has given me returns in the past. That was my day today. Hope you guys liked today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. I will be super transparent on this channel. I will tell you guys how my wins, how big my wins are, how big my losses are, and yeah, it's a journey, and whatever I know, whatever I have absorbed through other YouTubers or channels or Discords, I will be sharing it with you guys on this channel. So please go ahead and give that subscribe button. Make sure to like and comment if you are watching it. If you are enjoying the content, I will try to upload every single day. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend. Until next time. Bye-bye.